Forget Paris, forget Rome, forget New York. Here in Cardiff, we've got our own fashion, and this part of the exhibition celebrates that. There is a huge emphasis about continuing our creativity, and here is just another chance of how you can do that. Wow, Carnival. And here we celebrate Wales' emerging theatre designers, everything from lighting to costume. As with all great experiences, you end up here in the gift shop. This gift shop's a little bit different. It is 100% artist-led, and the centre takes no profit. Now it's time for me to find myself a gift.